everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new restaurant use hoods. Okay, this is going to be a 5-foot hood. Okay, this is for restaurant use. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the hood for you. For the length, as we mentioned, is 5 feet 60 inches. Okay, from side to side, we'll start it from the bottom to top. Once you mount this hood, it's considered mount top to bottom, so you're looking at 26 inches. Okay, and from side to side, you're looking at a total of about 48. Okay, 4 feet 48 inches. Okay, so those are your measurements for this hood. Now if you go back to the front, on the inside is where we're going to locate our certifications. Okay, so these hoods are going to be NSF certified. You can locate certifications on the inside sticker. Also, there's another sticker over here on the side. And if you open up these pieces right here, they will also have their NSF and UL certification printed on them. Okay, so there's another sticker on the inside right here that locates your NSF and our company brand, Cooler Depot. Okay, so they're all going to be certified, all hoods available. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, you can locate our opening here where all the smoke obviously goes out through. We're going to measure this piece 16 inches by 12, and I also measured just the inside portion here 14 by 10. Okay, so that's the measurement for the outside output right there. Okay, so this is going to be one of our brand new restaurant hoods. If you're interested in one of these hoods, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding the size, including the price. We'll have other sizes available as you see here. So go on the website, check them out. We'll have all the information. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.